Big stretch. Come on. All right, let's come out here. Everyone's still sleeping, but good morning, good morning, good morning. So you want to do a challenge, do you? I got an overwhelming amount of people saying, yes, do the challenge. So let's get into this challenge and I will tell you what fate awaits you. All right, Andrew Bullock here from Bigtsfitness. I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out our channel where we focus on, focus? Did I say focus? Focus on weight loss, fitness, and a better all over lifestyle for you, the viewer. I want to thank you so much for stopping by because this is a very, very exciting day. So many people commented on my last video. If you haven't seen it already, I'll put it up in the corner. That they want to do a challenge. So I looked up what is the best length of a challenge. And it said 21 days. It takes 21 days for you as a person, for your brain to learn a new habit. And that is what we want to do. We want to get a better habit when it comes to fitness, changing your lifestyle, and then weight loss comes easy. It's not that hard because our bodies are just that amazing that when we stop doing the stupid stuff we're not supposed to do, our body repairs itself. Our body doesn't want to be overweight. No, there's not anything you can do to convince me that your body wants to be overweight. Your body wants to be able to fight and defend itself, live a long and happy life, and being overweight doesn't do that. Anything you want to do, if you have 5 extra pounds on you, it wants to have those 5 extra pounds off. Sorry. And if you want to see what I weighed today, make sure you stay to the end of the video. All right, as most of you know, I like eating plant-based. That is my thing. That's how my body recovers the fastest from workouts. But I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you, if you accept this challenge, for 21 days, I'm going to be posting at least once a day one recipe that I use eating plant-based. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my link below because on Instagram is where I put up a lot of my workouts and a lot of my food that I'm eating. But I would love it if you guys would accept the challenge to try to eat more plant-based because I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna like how you feel more than I think you would like the food because the food's amazing, but how you feel is so different. But for the next 21 days, I will be doing the 16 and 8 eating pattern. So I will be eating lunch at 12 and dinner. And along with the 16 and 8 eating pattern, I'm also going to be doing plant-based. And I'm going to be doing no oil. That is a tough one. I'm not going to lie. It is a tough one. But when I read this article, I'll try to put it in a link below. It takes 29 pounds of olives. 29 pounds. That's like one of my kettlebells to make 1 liter of olive oil. So you're taking this massive mound of olives and you're extracting all of the fiber, a lot of the nutrients, all the extra vitamins, and literally just taking the fat out of it. And so where we run into problems as humans, especially, I know plenty of people that say they eat plant-based, but they gained weight because 100 calories of oil fills your stomach this much. And then 100 calories of like eggs or bacon or something like that fills your stomach about that much. But when you do 100 calories of like an awesome kale salad, it fills your stomach all the way up. It activates the stretch receptors, which tells your body you're already full. All those good things, but you're still only getting 100 calories. And so where we run into problems is when you mix a ton of oil with carbohydrates, because your body will love to burn up carbohydrates. So it'll burn the carbs and it'll store the oil. And what does the oil store as? Fat. So the question is, will you accept my challenge? And if you do, I will be sure to try and help you in any way I physically can. With recipes, I'm going to be posting my workouts. Probably not every day. I'm going to try to do at least some sort of post with at least one recipe every single day for you guys, because I want this to be an enjoyable experience. It's not going to work unless you find some way to make it enjoyable. Like right now, with how I'm eating and I'm losing weight and everything, I don't feel like I'm dieting. If you feel like you're dieting, you're already losing, because you need to find some way to make it enjoyable, because every diet ends. And if it ends, then that means you're going to go right back to the same way you were eating before that got you into the situation that you're trying to avoid now. I want to see you be successful. And once again, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell you what I weighed in today. I weighed in at 355 pounds. That is a staggering I think it's 2.4 pounds down from last week. So, boom! Super excited. Way cool. But I want to see your guys' success. So make sure you're commenting below. Make sure you're throwing me a comment about your weight, what we're starting at, and if the recipes would be helpful, and if you're going to try to go plant-based. Maybe even just try one meal a day. Just to try it, just to mix it up, just to see what you like. I challenge you. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel, and be sure to stop by the store. There's going to be some new Bigtsfitness gear coming soon this summer. Very excited about it. It looks really good. But I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel, and I will see you on the next video.